Today we'll be working on slope-intercepts. Slope-intercepts consist of a y, an x, a slope which would be m, and a y-intercept which would be b. To find out the slope, we take 2 points and subtract the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and then you get the slope. Now we will take 2 points on a line and find out their slope. The first pair would be labeled x1 and y1. The second pair would be labeled x2 and y2. Make sure to always write the slope formula on your paper before solving the problem. So m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now I plug in the points. So m equals 6, which is y2, minus 8, which is y1, over 4, which is x2, minus 2, which is x1. Now we simplify. 6 minus 8 is negative 2, and 4 minus 2 is 2. Negative 2 divided by 2 is negative 1. So our slope, which is m, would equal negative 1. First, we're going to plug in our slope into the equation. So y equals negative 1x plus b. And since we don't know our y-intercept yet, we need to plug in a point on the line. In this case, we chose 2, 8 into the equation. So our new equation will be 8 equals negative 1 times 2 plus b. Now we solve. So 8 equals negative 2 because negative 1 times 2 is negative 2 plus b. Add 2 on both sides. The 2's cancel each other out. 8 plus 2 is 10, so 10 is our y-intercept. Make sure that in your final equation you only have the slope and y-intercept as numbers and the x and y as variables. So our final answer would be y equals negative 1x plus 10. Negative 1 is the slope and 10 is the y-intercept.